Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English lesson today. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to see you here. Learning English is a journey, and you are doing a great job. Today, we are going to focus on something very important. We are going to learn how to talk to a doctor. We will learn how to answer questions about how you feel. It is important to be clear and slow when you speak to a doctor. Sarah and I will show you how to do this. We want you to feel confident. We want you to feel ready for your next appointment. Please listen carefully to our voices. We will speak slowly so you can hear every word. This lesson is for you. It is for your health and your learning. Let us start now.
Hello, I am Sarah. I will help Mr. Only today. We are going to imagine a visit to the doctor. Sometimes we feel sick or we have pain. It can be scary to speak English when you do not feel well. But do not worry. We will use simple words. We will explain everything clearly. First, I will be the doctor and Mr. Only will be the patient. Then we will talk about the sentences we used. We want to help you understand what the doctor asks. We want to help you describe your body. It is good to practice these words many times. Let us get ready for our conversation.
Good morning, Sarah. Thank you for helping me today. I am ready to start the practice.
Good morning, Mr. Only. I am ready too. Let us begin the doctor visit now.
Hello, Sarah. I am here because I do not feel very well today.
I am sorry to hear that, Mr. Only. Please come in and sit down. I am the doctor today. How can I help you?
Thank you, Sarah. I have a very bad headache. My head hurts a lot.
I see, Mr. Only. I am sorry your head hurts. When did the headache start?
It started yesterday morning, Sarah. It started after I woke up.
Did you take any medicine for the pain, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. I took one pill yesterday afternoon, but the pain did not go away.
I understand, Mr. Only. Is the pain in the front of your head or the back of your head?
The pain is in the front, Sarah. It is right above my eyes. It feels very heavy.
Thank you for telling me that, Mr. Only. Do you have a fever too?
I do not know, Sarah. I feel a little bit warm. Can you check my temperature?
Yes, Mr. Only. I will check your temperature now. Please stay still for a moment. Your temperature is 38 degrees. You have a small fever, Mr. Only.
Oh, I see, Sarah. That explains why I feel so tired. I feel very tired and weak.
That is normal when you have a fever, Mr. Only. Do you have any other symptoms? For example, do you have a cough or a sore throat?
My throat feels a little bit dry, Sarah, but I do not have a cough. I just have a headache and a fever.
Does your stomach hurt, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah. My stomach feels fine. I can eat and drink without any problems.
That is good, Mr. Only. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, Sarah. I am not allergic to any medicine. I usually take medicine without any trouble.
Okay, Mr. Only. I want to ask about your sleep. Did you sleep well last night?
No, Sarah. I did not sleep well. I woke up many times because my head was hurting.
I am sorry, Mr. Only. It is hard to sleep when you are in pain. Do you feel dizzy when you stand up?
Yes, Sarah. I feel a little bit dizzy when I walk. I have to move very slowly.
I understand, Mr. Only. It is important to rest. Are you drinking enough water?
I am trying to drink water, Sarah, but I am not very thirsty today.
You must drink more water, Mr. Only. It will help with the fever. Now I will listen to your heart. Please breathe deeply.
Okay, Sarah. I am breathing deeply now. Is my heart okay?
Your heart sounds very good, Mr. Only. Do not worry about that. Now I want to look at your throat. Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Is my throat red, Sarah?
Your throat is a little bit red, Mr. Only. It looks a bit swollen, too. This is why you feel a little sick.
What should I do now, Sarah? Do I need a prescription?
Yes, Mr. Only. I will give you some medicine for the pain and the fever. You need to take 1 pill every 8 hours.
1 pill every 8 hours, Sarah? I will remember that. Should I take it with food?
Yes, Mr. Only. It is better to take it with food. It is safer for your stomach.
Thank you, Sarah. How many days should I take the medicine?
Take the medicine for 5 days, Mr. Only. Even if you feel better, you should finish the medicine.
I understand, Sarah. I will finish all the medicine in 5 days. Can I go to work tomorrow?
No, Mr. Only. I think you should stay home and rest for 2 days. Your body needs energy to get better.
You are right, Sarah. I will stay home. I will rest and drink a lot of water.
That is a good plan, Mr. Only. If you feel worse, please call me again.
I will call you if I feel worse, Sarah. Thank you for your help today.
You are very welcome, Mr. Only. I hope you feel better very soon.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. Take care of yourself.
Now, I want to explain some of the things we said. When the doctor asks, "How can I help you?" they want to know why you are there. You can say, "I have a headache," or "I have a stomach ache." Mr. Only said, "My head hurts." This is a very simple and good way to speak. If your arm hurts, you say, "My arm hurts." If your leg hurts, you say, "My leg hurts." Now, let us practice another small conversation. I will be the doctor, and Mr. Only will have a different problem.
Hello, Sarah. My stomach hurts today.
I am sorry, Mr. Only. Where does your stomach hurt?
It hurts right here, Sarah. It hurts when I touch it.
Did you eat something strange, Mr. Only?
I ate some spicy food last night, Sarah. Maybe that is the reason.
That is possible, Mr. Only. Do you feel like you want to vomit?
No, Sarah, I do not feel like that. I just have a sharp pain.
Okay, Mr. Only. I will give you some medicine for your stomach. Drink some tea and do not eat spicy food today.
Thank you, Sarah. I will drink tea and eat simple food like bread.
That is perfect, Mr. Only. Now, let us look at another example. Sometimes the doctor asks about your history.
Sarah, what does history mean in a doctor office?
Great question, Mr. Only. Medical history means the sickness you had in the past. The doctor might ask, "Have you been sick like this before?"
Oh, I understand, Sarah. So I can say, no, this is the first time. Or I can say, yes, I had this last year.
Exactly, Mr. Only. You are learning very fast. Let us try another short talk. This time, you have a cold.
Sarah, I have a cold. I'm sneezing a lot.
I can hear that, Mr. Only. Do you have a runny nose?
Yes, Sarah, my nose is running and I need many tissues.
Do you have a cough, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, I have a cough. It is worse at night.
I see, Mr. Only. A cough at night is very annoying. I will give you some cough syrup.
Thank you, Sarah. How much syrup should I take?
Take 2 spoons of syrup before you go to bed, Mr. Only.
2 spoons before bed. I got it, Sarah.
Now, let us talk about the word symptoms. A symptom is a sign of sickness, like a fever or a cough. The doctor might ask, "What are your symptoms?"
So I should list the things I feel, Sarah. I can say my symptoms are a fever and a headache.
Yes, Mr. Only, that is exactly right. It is also important to talk about how long you have been sick.
Like saying, I have been sick for 3 days, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. Use the word for to show the time. For 2 days, for 1 week, for a long time.
This is very helpful, Sarah. What about when the doctor asks about allergies?
An allergy is when your body does not like something, like a specific medicine or a type of food. If the doctor asks, "Are you allergic to anything?" you can say, "No, I am not," or "Yes, I am allergic to penicillin."
Thank you, Sarah. I feel much more confident now. Let us practice one more time. I will be the doctor and you be the patient, Sarah.
Okay, Mr. Only, I am ready. Hello, Mr. Only. I have a sore throat.
I'm sorry, Sarah. Does it hurt when you swallow?
Yes, Mr. Only. It hurts a lot when I drink or eat.
Let me see, Sarah. Open your mouth wide. Yes, it looks very red.
Should I take some medicine, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. I will give you some medicine to gargle. It will make your throat feel better.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You are a very good doctor.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm happy we practiced these sentences today. It is very important for our students to hear these words.
I agree, Mr. Only. Practice makes perfect. Even if you make a mistake, the doctor will understand you if you speak slowly.
That is true, Sarah. We have covered many things today. We talked about headaches and stomach aches and colds. We talked about medicine and how to take it. We talked about symptoms and history.
We did a lot of work, Mr. Only. I hope everyone listening feels better about going to the doctor now.
We are coming to the end of our lesson today. Sarah and I want to thank you for listening. You are doing a wonderful job learning English. Remember that your health is very important. Do not be afraid to tell the doctor exactly how you feel.
Yes, and please remember to use the simple words we practiced today. You do not need big words to be understood. Mr. Only and I are very proud of your progress. Keep practicing every day.
That is right, Sarah. Consistency is the key. Listen to this lesson again if you need to. It will help the words stay in your memory.
We will be back with more lessons soon. Thank you, Mr. Only, for being a great partner today.
Thank you, Sarah. You were a great doctor and a great teacher. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.